me who say Omain no ankasa no he ne yekro because it seems like ya dwen no ene yensusu ene ya na emu bright akwese politicians ne campaign no ya na wowum ye mra no ade ebi ni LI 2519 ya which transport a year ye dey be manage say obi ntimi nye mro so obi ntimi nye si I mean ye dey aba. But the implementation, they be a makasa Ghana, you beautiful laws. Emra efe ukrumu ha. See a kasi de embranu yina ye jumani ye mua. Na ye corrupt. I tell you where this country will get to. But the abo ye hu branu ankasani ye mu because ye mre biya ye be ye no ya enesa na nsentin time. Echi akese na eja enketwa ne de echi wo na akese na fam. No moko. So na the akoye say o my we no ye dwene ho say domestic violence and ye ya ne e prane sa no ma ekoso ewo ye fie mu ye fie mu obi ne obi asetene mu no ya na edoso ye kan ne de adwena akosi awale mu ahu awofo ne bi kura nso o ma and ye ya ye be show me ne partner nko there a lot apart from say obi tu obi mona said ya wo kan anaso woni ne beda wa bra wo mpene so rape ni ade ya wo kan ni ade nyina no apart from those sexual ones no obi kura ne yire bia oba no kura won tiapo anase sa bre no kura no won hyeda nya yi se oni no be have ayi a obetumi aforce no oba na aye bibi a etiamra those things ni nyina wo ho enya se bi oya oyire nti ana oya okunu nti by force those you see oya ne sa violently all the violence na take is at the end by force.
That's right. Production here you be we dey mention no. Production say
I want to say okay. Me am the bad
okay.
So all these things no eh normal e hadwene mo ya warefo na motia eni se ufoso ne se chinchina ache onye bibisa. Jeff, I will come to that. You just relax. Na yesanso obi psychological abuse. Inti violence, domestic violence aye kan nyina no nye ade ba ko penye nna no nko.
Okay.
Ene nye bronko se wo bu physically no nko. Psychologically obi wo ha won so mu mo. O se me mo na police abechu. But the may you fie ha no. Wan kasa betete ya ko so ofa bag na wako. Obeto chaw. Some of these things are part emotional abuse. Ebi wo so kra no a ensem edidi atem. Verbally obe assault you dey bia. A fierce no man in our course, but now way back 1998. Now you're a women and juvenile unit. Waju.
Yeah.
So okay.
Yes.
And no na boss I no man who bro. And who say I quite to say favor man and quadan kwa. Until now 2005 na dream ba say. Genye that doves you know and cover all domestic violence and the man be so bro mema pa yeah and man be so bro mema pa and cover all the violent acts whether nkwada and man bia na ekosiria. The problem here ne say how do we enforce the laws? How do we enforce the laws? Because a woman say Jeff Fato Sumame ubewu se nkrofo ekun awarefo bi akohia busuafo na ye ka ho asem ebi kuretimi pia bontense obi de agu ne yire so obi atwitwa ne yire obi abo ne yire because ana obi abu eni kunu menka ne sa because ebi a wadi nine no de sex oni na just bring it back for me oni ne nya den ena enti o mane ne nya hwe etiamra se bia oni ne tie moya awarefo na owa akwanya se sa bre no ne hu hia no na se me ma wonya yi no etiamra enyamra me ko Assistant Commissioner of Police ACP Dennis Fiapu and was say who deny according to Ghana's Domestic Violence Act 732 of 2007
that's right
wabumra so yemi say some of them the AC bebre enti no obra show enya adwuma bebre
oda no ahye
hima betna ha no be e fiensem nko agents e fiensem enti wo tie atum say bare na ebisa ho say emra no wo ho ye dey enipa be ye say enti ne ye emra no but the implementation is a problem for the people as emra no e benefit you mo now we come medical examinations yade ya ye emra no fefefe but ensiachi ba be no mo de asiachire health insurance ni emi say hu say ewom say okọ na ebia wepra wakọji police form a okọ a yenye ni free ma wana. Those investigations misa ye say is it in the health insurance? Because health insurance na cover student examination. Who student who go school o can say okọ na o health insurance o kwa akoye investigations bi for school form a health insurance ne cover saa de no ebia wo ko tu kwan o ko je medical report bi de akoye wa de health insurance and cover saa no ma no. And so some of these things so say police na lead if the police doesn't lead it then nipa na come be medical report. In fact medical report medical report in free. And so say police form near say police form there or the bar e free a they should make sure say sika kana hospital ne be bono e hin why na tua otiase because hospital no so no omo manage at the end of the day hospital no your friend saying accessories o use stationaries paper or they be print no more mo dey ye ni nyina no so print be 100 within a month saka no okoji free hin all these things must be looked at. But as we speak, me health insurance, me I've gone through that section. Me who say me correct. No. But me who say health insurance cover domestic violence medical report. And so you cannot blame the doctors. The
doctors, yeah.
Any omwa obejino sika because violent be abantie say and me say you free sika ben na mo de ato. Say you free there, you can put it in the health insurance.
That's right.
No one who say nipa ne ba na you say you free. And now so mbenya way bi on be refund this scanner facility because hotel A4 sheets na. Auto hospital no auto. Into you kwaji a eso otimi tika no efrim.
That's right.
What you say? Eti empanimfo ne ye mra. Ni aye ne fefefe but what will make the law work well no? Ni aje no wachiri.
That's right.
Na ya mra you will say e dey na ya found it's a call, it's a wake up call for them. Say the health ministry and all the other stakeholders they should say how do we and the interior ministry also because if the police wanna abani adinto no how do they fund those things a corner hospital no be from stationaries near there hin omkoji skede free interior ministry and a baby tria later and answer why the baby tria later they should let the facilities know so that omuko mbenya ni free and it must be free.
That's it.
Because victim no our cost adi oh here support
yes
uko elsewhere. And can insurance be ni no ma bi anipa no after going through that no benya ne nyagro by hey aduane kura ye bu na prasa ntimi ngoja aduane kura be say nya di edi I think say it's a wake up call
right.
for them to set up.
That's right.
But the me person me yeko ni say ene emra wo ho according to ACP
okay
odo ho kame wo kunu odo ho kame wo yire a ese mbra no betumi edi now do say
maybe I be any come kakra maybe so from any come if you have been a victim and answer or suahunu bia e wo sa nkoma ya hwehwe mu abetuma frɛ na